Jesus, Jesus, you make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus, silence fear. Hey everybody, Wade McNutt here with pianomeditation.com. Our song today is Tremble. God, the power of saying Jesus' name. Let's make that our prayer today. And sometime today, I challenge you to just to use that as a prayer, just calling out his name and letting him speak to you, Jesus. We pray over the student wherever they are in the world. All right, let's do this thing. Our song is in the key of C. I know a lot of y'all are like, woo, key of C, yay. Yeah. If you watch enough of my videos, I challenge you to play in any key because really, it's just like learning the key of C. You learn a few things, you can do it. So starting off, we got some chords, some main chords for this that we're going to learn. And if you want to check them out in cheat sheets, you can look below in the description, sign up for my email list, and I'll send you a little PDF. Has this. So go to the key of C in that. And also, this song is by vote. So if you're part of that email list, you will also get an email telling you when it's time to vote. And you can help vote for the next song. So pretty sweet. Chords and lyrics below the song as well. You can copy and paste. So A minor is A, C, E. And you might be asking yourself, why aren't you just playing this? Well, because I want to invert it. A, C, E. I'm just putting these notes in a different order. It's called an inversion. It's going to keep everything close together. So if we play an A minor here, A's in the bass, you'll have the first chord for the song. So peace, bring it all to peace. Now check this out. Our next chord is F major 7. This is a fun theory thing. I'm not going to move what I'm doing here at all, but I'm going to move the bass to an F. And we have the notes we need for an F major 7. So the notes you would need are F, A, C, and E. So face, F, A, C, E, face. That's what you need. So notice the notes we're playing for the A minor chord, A, C, E. That's already the A, C, E of face. All right. So essentially, we're playing the top part of that chord, and the bass notes playing the bottom part, the F, F, A, C, E. So you don't have to move anything. You already have it there. So 2 for the price of 1. So that's your F major 7. Storm surrounding me. And when we go to a C chord, it'll be right here, C, E, G. And if you want to, you can put in this note because it just sounds nice. Play a C and G in the bass or bass notes. The way I use these, if I want to keep it lighter, I'll play kind of up here to where it's softer. If I want to build, you'll see me jump down like that. So that's C chord and then a G sus, Jesus. So G, B, D is your normal G chord, G, B, D. If you move the middle note, and by middle note, I'm always kind of referencing a regular G chord, G, B, D. This is the middle note, the B. So if you move that up, that gives you your sus chord. And a G in the bass. All right, so let's focus on those chords first. You want to be able to, where you can move in between A minor, F major 7, then a C, then your Jesus chord. Yes, I said Jesus. A minor. And if you can't do this yet, just pause the video, work it out until you can play and sing through this. So you can do that for the intro. And as you're playing and singing this, you can even just hold this out if you're by yourself or whatever. But it would be peace, bring it all to peace. Storm surrounding me, let it break at your name. So if I was playing in time, if you needed that to kind of help you with the rhythm, let's go to verse 2. Still, Call the sea to still, the rage in me to still every wave at your name. All right, now, if you're trying to sing this and do it at the same time, it's some syncopated rhythms and all that. But just work on a measure at a time. Get to where you can keep this hand going here on the A minor, and just see if you can get that first measure. Peace. Bring it all to peace. And kind of see where the words land, where your hand is playing the rhythm. Peace. Bring it all to peace. All right. So you'll kind of see where those land all together. It will get easier. All right. I know might be difficult at your first time, but it will get easier as you go. All right. So that's how the verses feel. Let's look at the chorus. And at the end of this, we will play and sing together. So to the chorus, it has this F2, which it's really an F add 9, but it's become a tradition now in Christian music to just write the 2. So if you want to, here'd be a regular F chord, F-A-C. You can just add in the G if you want, or you can leave off the A, play it this way. Either way, it'll be fine. All right, then back to the A minor. We have our other ones through the chorus. Good, yeah, so we got the chords that we need. So to the chorus, 2, 3, and Jesus, Jesus, A minor. You make the darkness tremble, Jesus, Jesus. Silence fear, Jesus, Jesus. You make the darkness tremble, Jesus, Jesus. All right. So I think there's no other chords to the song we're gonna need. Looking at the bridge, make sure we got all this down, and we'll play it and sing it together. If we get to the bridge, your name is a light that the shadows can't deny. Your name cannot be overcome. Your name is alive, forever lifted high. Your name cannot be overcome. And the final chorus, we're still playing the same chords. It's just that the melody you're singing is a little different. Sweet. So if you have the chords down, you can switch in between them. You are a lot of the way there. You just got to work in the singing and playing with it. But if you want to just work on the chords, you can play while I'm playing and singing, and we'll get through this whole arrangement of the song. So let's try it from the beginning. Let's go ahead and for the intro, we'll just play the A minor, F major 7, C, and G sus. 2. Ready? And. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Verse. Peace. Bring it all to peace. Storm surrounding me. Let it break. At your name, still. Call the sea to still, the rage in me to still, every way I will praise. Jesus, Jesus, you make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus, the silence fear. Jesus, Jesus, you make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus. Breathe. Call these bones to live. Call these lungs to sing once again. And I will praise Jesus, Jesus. You make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus. Silence fear. Jesus, Jesus. You make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus. Your name, He's a light that the shadows can't deny. Your name cannot be overcome. Your name is alive, forever lifted high. Your name cannot be overcome. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. You make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus. Silence fear. Jesus, Jesus. You make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus. Now, if you want to, you can go back through the chorus. It does this cool little thing. So it's C, C, E, D, C, B, A. And here's the count of it. You're going to play it over that A minor and G chord of the chorus. So 2, 3, 4, 1. So let me kind of slow it down so you can see. This will be your beat. 3, 4, 1. 2, 3. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2. And they do something different the last time. It goes up to that G. Da 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 da. All right. That part might be too hard, but that's just something that you can do, that they do on that recording, and they have a cool electric piano sound, womp womp, or synthy sound going on, playing that part. Sweet. So that's playing and singing through the song. Just something little to add in there. If you're using the cheat sheets, look on that page for the key of C. At the bottom, there's something called Nashville numbers. Again, you can get those cheat sheets, sign up for the email list in the description. It says email list. So let's say this song is the wrong key. Or when it goes higher, like that's just way too high for me. Why don't we change the key? So if you look at the Nashville numbers at the bottom, what does it say above A minor? It says 6 dash, which means minor. So a 6 minor. So remember these. Then it says F, or what is it for F? That's a 4, right? And then C, that's a 1, and G is a 5. Yeah, so remember those numbers. 6, 4, 1, 5. The combination to your luggage is 6, 1, 4, 5. So let's say we wanted to move it to, I don't know, key of B flat. So if you find in the cheat sheets, key of B flat, what's your 6th chord? What's it say in there? It's a G minor, right? 4 chord is a E flat major. 1 chord is a B flat, and their 5 chord is an F. All right. So now we've transposed the song. We know the chords we need. Peace, and bring it all to peace. Storm surrounding me, let it break at your name. Right? Thinking in numbers is so powerful. So that's an option. That's something you can do if you want to kind of take things to the next level. Be using that. Start to think in numbers for all the songs you play, because a lot of worship songs, they're just 4 chords. Okay, so just think of them in numbers. And there's a lot of churches that only go by numbers so that they can change a song very easily. Because you know the diva, the singer, the vocalist, you know, sometimes they just need, I'm teasing y'all, don't get mad. They need to be able to change the key. Cool. So that's just a little nugget, something else you can work on. going through this. God bless y'all. I hope you're able to use this lesson and start your process of playing and worshiping and maybe joining your group at some point at the church or just worshiping at home, whatever you want to do. Wade McNutt here, pianomeditation.com. Hope you subscribe. Love y'all guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.